30, and I'm gonna hit the brake. And here you can see that I was sliding, but the anti-lock braking system kicked in and allowed me to come to a safe stop, or at least slow down the vehicle. So you gotta slow down around the corners. Now we're gonna speed up again, go about 30, and hit the brake, and I'm sliding. And the stopping distance, I would say, is about the same, or actually better with the E-pedal, but without the slide. Sometimes if you go into a slide, you will not be able to recover, and especially if you have to make a turn, you'll end up going in a direction that you did not want to go into. You may end up in a turn or a ditch. So here I have the Eco-pedal back on, doing about 25. I let go of the gas pedal, and I did it a little bit too early, but here you can see come to a complete stop. And the vehicle is completely stopped. So here we go again. And again, I don't have much traction initially. Once I get it going, it does a lot better. So again, Eco-pedal mode on, doing about 25. It's actually handling pretty well. I'm going to let off the gas right about now, and we come to a complete stop.